Hello and welcome to Dartmoor. Are you looking for a tripod for your GoPro or small camera? If so, you have to watch this video because I'll tell you why I think this is the best tripod you'll get for your camera. So let me introduce you to the AOKA 28-inch 1.1 pounds lightweight compact carbon fibre tripod. It's priced in the UK at about £100. There's also a shorter 15-inch version available for £10 cheaper. When you receive your tripod, it comes well packaged in a box, which includes the main body of the tripod. Also includes an extension pole. It comes with a mobile phone adapter, 2 Allen keys and a stabilizer screw, and also you get a bag to keep it all together. The height of the main body of the tripod is 70 centimeters, but once you add the extension pole on top, you get an impressive height of 136 centimeters. That's not bad for a small tripod. The legs are twist lock, so quite easy to use and reliable too. And they're quite sturdy and firm. If they do ever wear loose, it does come with the 2 Allen keys to tighten the legs up. But in saying that, I've been using this now for over 6 months and they're still strong and sturdy. I've never once had to tighten them up. The feet of the tripod have rubber stoppers, but these can be removed to use the spikes depending on the terrain you're working on. Your camera is easy to attach, just pop it on and tighten. The ball head is solid and easily adjustable, twist in every angle, and also for portrait shots. The swivel head has a full 360 degrees rotation, great for filming panoramics. A great feature with this tripod is the ability to change the angle of the legs. You can angle it right out, which enables you to take low-level photography. A feature you don't get with many other tripods. The mobile extension is great and easy to use. Just pop it on and tighten up, and then add your phone. You can also then tilt it towards yourself, which is perfect for walking and talking to your camera. So as you can probably tell, I absolutely love this tripod. Over the years, I've had loads of different tripods. I've had GoPro Shorty, their 3-way extension. I've had cheaper brands, small ones, large ones, but it's always been a negative with every one I've had. But this, I absolutely love it. So I've now told you all the positives of why I like it. There must be some negatives. Okay, here they are. Negatives. To be honest, I'm struggling to find any. Maybe the price could be cheaper, but then to be fair, if the product is well made, looks good, feels good, you don't mind paying a bit extra for it, do you? As I mentioned earlier, I use it for my GoPro and my phone camera for about 6 months now, but I'm not sure I would use my big camera when it's fully extended with the extension, because it's a bit wobbly then. With a smaller camera, perfect, but I'm not sure with a bigger camera. Okay, I'm being picky now. There's a spirit level on the side here. Now if you're using the camera in portrait mode, that spirit level is okay. But if you're using it in landscape mode, which most people will be, the spirit level is actually pointless. This review is in no way whatsoever sponsored by AOKA. I first saw the tripod on an Instagram post about 6 months ago and purchased it. Loved it so much, which is why I've decided to film a review. If you've got the tripod or intend to buy it, please let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. So thank you very much for watching. This is Dartmoor Life, signing off from Dartmoor. Whatever you're doing, have a great day. Cheers!